Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to Third Wave Trades. Today's video we're going to be going over Block Inc. ticker symbol SQ. This is another stock that I think has potential for a huge upside this year. I believe it's breaking out of an accumulation channel. So I just wanted to bring it to your guys' attention. I called it out in our Discord a couple of days ago and said that I would be making this video. So um, going to go over the Elliott wave analysis and the Wyckoff method and briefly touch upon this, the potential of a stage 2 breakout. All right, so before we get into it, if you guys could just do me a huge favor, hit that like button down below, subscribe if you guys are new here. And also, just a quick disclaimer, guys, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence and research and or consult with a financial advisor before making any trading or investment decisions. All right, so with that out of the way, you guys can see I already have the wave count pulled up, right? This is in a log scale going back to 2016. So we had a first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and that makes our larger degree first wave. We had this correction, right, that brought us all the way back down to roughly around $37. The highs that we hit over here were roughly around $290, right? So with this complete, right, you guys can see now switching over, to a Wyckoff viewpoint. This has basically been accumulating, right? So after this correction, we've kind of been accumulating here, but I believe we're looking to start this breakout move, right, to get that larger degree third wave, right? So we are in this channel. So what does that look like in terms of Wyckoff? All right, so this is sort of what we're looking at from the Wyckoff perspective, right? You guys can see this was we were in this downtrend, right? Stage analysis, it would be a stage 3, right? And then we kind of had this phase A where we stopped the downtrend and started going into a sideways move. All right. Okay, so we were in this phase A, which stopped the downtrend, put us into a sideways move. Phase B, you can see this is our series of like tests, creating the channel. Had this spring move in phase C, came back into the channel, minor sign of strength, potentially a last point of support, and now you guys can see we have climbed back up to the top of this channel for a sign of strength, and we could be possibly consolidating here for a little while. But as long as we hold above this channel, like within this range of roughly $85 to $100, I think we are poised to get into this phase E, right, which is the uptrend move in Wyckoff terms, right? You can see with this move up in phase D, we had a little bit of an increase in volume. I would like to see that volume increase a lot more, and once we finish consolidating over here, and we get that breakout with volume, I think that is something that we will see, like volume increase, price action really take off. So that's really what it is from a Wyckoff perspective, and the stage analysis, I don't have it drawn up here, but really simply it's sort of the same thing, right? So if we go back to the beginning of the move, you can see down here, this would have been our stage 1. We got the break above this yellow line, which is our 30-week moving average. This would have been our stage 2. And then over here, instead of really a stage 3, we continue on with the stage 2 move. This would have been stage 3, stage 4, and now since like this accumulation channel that we've been in is essentially stage 1. And recently we got this break above our 30-week moving average again. The volume isn't quite as high as I would like it to be, but we are above the zero line in the Mansfield Relative Strength Index, right? So, I'll go into more detailed analysis on the Discord, but really, what I'm trying to say is that I think in so many words, I think the stock is basically going to push a lot higher, right? So like this correction from $300 level all the way back down to this $35 level. Took us about 2 years. We know stage three moves are very impulsive, they move really fast. I think by the end of the year, we could be right back up to these all-time highs, right around that $300 level. Again, in a wave count, we're probably looking at uh, like a 1-2 situation, right? A 1-2, and this could really take off as this third wave move right here, right? So 1-2, and now within our third wave, we have a 1-2 setup building up. Again, volume is going to be key, right? So look for strong price action once we break above that $100 resistance level, and look for strong volume, right? And I'm looking at it as a long-term trade, so I'm watching it on a weekly time frame. But you guys could trade it short term, right? There's definitely going to be opportunities to trade it short term, but I think this could be a really big payoff, just like the Upstart play was, just like Palantir was. If you guys can be patient and wait for that strong move, that strong breakout, that signal, then this is something that could be a great 6 to 12 month swing play, right? Whether you want to buy shares, leaps, however you guys want to trade it. I will be discussing this idea more in our Discord, which now is live, as you guys saw from the beginning of the video. So if you guys are interested in joining, it's wap.com/third wave trades. I'll put the link down below. Right now, you guys do get a 2-week free trial. And besides just analysis like this, you guys get live trade alerts, day trades. You guys will get educational content that I'm working on, teaching tutorials on Elliott Wave, on the Wyckoff method, on stage analysis, and even basic technical analysis for anybody who's a beginner and just wants to learn the basics and get into trading. So if you guys are interested, again, wap.com/third wave trades. Do me a favor, guys, hit the like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, I will be back with more. Peace.